Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Aurora Yoga. My name is Christina, and this is my dog, Pearl. Welcome to this Waning Moon Bedtime Yoga in bed. I'm also going to be incorporating a little self-healing into this practice, a little Reiki at the beginning, working on the third eye and the solar plexus, as well as guiding you through a special Yoga Nidra Savasana that essentially bridges the gap from the supermoon that we just had on Monday to where we are now, where it's illuminated at around 83, 84%. But we are all still certainly feeling the glow of the supermoon as it has been illuminating all that we have been carrying, thinking, and feeling. And this intensity may have left you feeling a little extra energized, reflective, exhausted, possibly even stagnant the past few days. This practice, the energy that we're in now, is basically about restoring, releasing, reflecting, especially on any lessons that we've learned from the past eclipse season right up into the supermoon that we just had. I would highly, highly recommend doing tonight's practice in bed. And if you've never done Yoga Nidra before, please stick around. I will timestamp this video so you have like the intro, the Reiki, the practice, and then I'll put a special timestamp in for Savasana because that's something you can go back to, especially if you have a hard time falling asleep. So Yoga Nidra, essentially 1 hour of Yoga Nidra equals 4 hours of sleep. Not a replacement for sleep, but excellent, especially for those of you who are chronically stressed, have anxiety, insomnia. It's my go-to for insomnia, especially full body scans. I find them to be completely relaxing. It helps you just really melt and just kind of forget about all that noise around you or whatever imbalances, anything that's keeping you up. It just really helps bring you into harmony. So I would highly recommend being open to checking it out if you've never checked it out before. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started with our self-healing section of our practice today. Namaste. Your palms to your knees, palms facing down. Close the eyes. Just take a moment to get centered. Perhaps rolling the shoulders back a few times. Just allowing yourself to sink into your seat. You're taking a few slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Fully completing your exhalation, open your eyes. Bring your palms together and start rubbing them vigorously. You're going to start to build some heat. You go faster and faster, really just building heat, building energy, tapping in. Keep going, maybe a little faster, a little bit faster, and release. You're going to feel a big ball of energy in between your hands. You can picture a big white golden globe, super moon. Just take a moment to feel that. It's your energy. It's how powerful you are. Taking this energy, slowly draw it up to the space right in between your eyebrows. That's your third eye. That's where your intuition lies, your inner knowing, your inner compass, your gut feelings. And not touching the face, you can feel the energy emanating from your palms right into this space. You can picture just a bright, white, golden light right in between the eyes, just growing brighter and brighter. Let's take a few slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Just allowing yourself to observe, to feel, taking note of thoughts that come up, perhaps images, visions, colors, sensations. Slowly open your eyes and start to guide your hands down towards the heart. Bring the palms back together and start to rub again vigorously. So we're moving on to the solar plexus. This is located right behind the belly button. This is all about your self-worth, your self-esteem, and how well you do a job, how you feel about yourself. And this chakra is balance. This is when you feel the most powerful, most confident, most successful. You're moving with a sense of purpose, strength, all of which we've been cultivating from our past few lunar practices, especially with the supermoon and the eclipse, a little bit faster. Release, once again, feel that ball of energy. That bright white golden light, the moon. You can even feel it kind of bouncing. And you slowly bring it back. This time, you feel a different sensation as we slowly draw the hands down to that space, right in the center of the belly. Touching the skin now, different sensation. It may feel a little intense. Close the eyes. Breathe into this space. And once again, picture bright white golden light illuminating the space. You may feel some discomfort. You may feel things starting to bubble up. Anything that comes up, shine that light on it and picture it moving down through the pelvis, down through the legs, and out through the feet, clearing space, cultivating balance. Once again, just deep breathing, noticing anything that comes up, thoughts, images, visions, colors, sensations. You're reminding yourself of how strong you are, how powerful you are, how resilient you are. You're clearing this space, rebuilding this space. And slowly release the palms back to the knees, opening the eyes as we get ready for our Yin bedtime practice with affirmations. If you have a pillow or a bolster handy, please grab it as we move into a supported wide-legged child's pose. Make yourself comfortable in your bed or on your mat. Grab a pillow or a bolster. Take the knees wide, bring the big toes to touch. Melt the heart, forehead down, onto your pillow. Relax the arms and soften everywhere, perhaps alternating between the right and the left ear. As you settle into supported child's pose, imagine the moon's silvery glow washing over your back. Each breath draws in that cool, soothing energy. Each exhale releases anything heavy you no longer need to carry. Whisper silently, "I let go of what no longer serves me." Feel your breath slowing, your body melting deeper and deeper into the earth. Let your spine soften. Your heart is held by gravity. Stay here, breathing into your back body, releasing completely. Start to slowly walk the hands back as you press yourself up. Remove your prop out of the way, your support. As you make your way onto your back for a reclined twist, hugging the knees into the chest. You can grab the shins, just gently press them in. Top of the head through sacrum, should be lying flat on your bed or your mat. Gently start to rock back and forth. Coming back to stillness. So you take the arms out wide into a T and let them fall over to the right. Gazing softly to the left if it feels comfortable. Otherwise, keep your gaze up towards your ceiling. With every inhale, lengthen through your spine. With every exhale, let everything spiral and unravel. Visualize the moonlight wringing out old energy, emotional residue, mental clutter, physical fatigue, all rinsed away in a silvery light. As you draw the knees back through center, hugging them in once again, dropping them over to the left, gazing to the right. If that's not comfortable, take the gaze up to the ceiling and allow the shoulders to melt. Affirming to yourself, old energies flow out, new energies flow in. Slowly draw the knees back through center. Hug them in one more time. You're coming into a supported reclined butterfly, grabbing your pillow or your bolster. Place it right up against the sacrum. You can adjust it a little bit. Bring the soles of the feet together. You may also take a blanket, some blocks, some extra pillows, and place them underneath the knees and the thighs for some extra support here. The heart will slightly open from having that support under the spine. Allow the shoulders to mount, palms facing up. Relax. As you allow the heart to lift slightly towards the heavens, your center glowing softly beneath your palms. This is the phase of reconnection. Not striving, not seeking, simply remembering your natural rhythm. Whispering to yourself, I reconnect with my inner wisdom. Visualize your heart glowing with gentle moonlight, pulsing out through your body. Your energy settles, your breath evens, your heart feels full. Slowly draw the knees towards one another. Remove any props out of the way. We're preparing for supported legs up the wall, Viparita Karani. You can even go up against your headboard if you like. Sitting onto your pillow or your bolster, gently leaning back, legs up to the sky. Allow the shoulders to melt away. Palms facing up, heart is open. The face is relaxed. If you have a hard time keeping the legs together, if they're shaking, you can separate them about hip-width distance. Have a nice bend in the knees. That should help to stabilize. Feel the weight of the world drain down through your legs, old tension flowing away like water receding after the tide. Whispering to yourself, I allow rest to heal and nourish me. Visualize moonlight pooling around your legs, swirling softly, cleansing and restoring your energy. Stay here until your breath feels like the ocean, rhythmic, effortless, serene. Slowly draw your legs towards your face, just lifting the hips up enough to remove your pillow or bolster. And sliding it underneath the knees and legs for supported Savasana, Preparing for a final rest, your Yoga Nidra full body scan, and supermoon integration. Let your body be fully supported by the bed or the mat beneath you. Close your eyes and begin to travel inward. Bring awareness to your crown. Visualize a soft spear of moonlight resting there. Inhale. Feel light entering. Exhale. Release any overthinking. Move awareness to your third eye, the space beneath, between the brows, the center of intuition. See a silvery glow expanding with each breath. Now to the throat. Breathe into expression. Exhale into honesty and ease. Awareness down to your heart. Imagine moonlight filling your chest, healing all tenderness, restoring love and calm. Moving now to the belly and solar plexus. Feel warmth spreading through your center, confidence returning. Now draw the awareness to the hips, the thighs, the knees, calves, feet, shoulders, upper arms, lower arm, hands, all melting into the bed. You are whole, you are light, you are safe. Repeating silently, I release, I restore, I reconnect. Visualize yourself standing beneath the supermoon, full, luminous, powerful. Its light once poured into you, illuminating everything that was ready to be seen. Now, as it begins to wane, that same light turns inward, softer, more intimate, still radiant. See the moonlight gently dimming, yet deepening, shifting from bright silver to a warm opal glow. This is the energy of integration, not losing light, but absorbing it. Imagine that glow flowing through your body like gentle tides, from your crown down your spine, from your heart out through your fingertips, from your belly into your dreams. With each breath, feel yourself merging with this rhythm of release and renewal. The supermoon's energy now rests within you, quiet and steady. You no longer chase light, you become it. If you're ready to rest, stay here and drift to sleep. Affirming to yourself, I am light, I am peace, I am whole. Stay in this moonlight stillness, letting yourself drift toward dream space, safe, supported, whole. Namaste.